All right, so today we're going to be going over a drill that you can do in the air, or you can use a dummy like Bob, or grab your favorite loved one. Today I will be using the Riptide. You can grab this on scallywagtactical.com. All right, so your hands are going to be up. Blade is in a forward grip, rear hand, right leg back, left leg forward. We're going to be here. We're going to snap cut. When we snap cut, you want to keep your right leg back. From this point, it's going to step forward. You're going to cut across the face. And as soon as it cuts across the face, stab into the groin or bladder area. Step forward. Tie them up. From there, twist and disengage. When you disengage, you're going to push them off to the side and then cut on the way out. So once again, we are going to be here, snap cut, step, and cut through the face into the groin, tie them up, rotate, and then cut away from your target. So we're here, snap cut, face, groin, tie them up, moving around, twist it while it's inside the body, and then cut. I'm going to show you how to do this on Bob, so it makes a little bit more sense. All right, so I have my Bob, and I have a trainer, so I don't cut the shit out of my Bob. They cost a lot of money. You're going to imagine where their arms are. Moving around, you're going to snap cut. That snap cut going down with your right leg back. Don't step forward with that. You don't want the blade close to your leg. So I'm snap cutting here. You want to hit anywhere on the wrist as that goes down. Don't care if it's the hand or the wrist. You have the Riptide in your hand earlier, and that's basically trying to chop his fucking hand off. Let that thing fall to the ground. So we're here, snap cut, down the face, and then into the groin. Face target, start at the corner of the skull, going here and across, like I'm trying to chop his face off, okay? Face off.
You want to take his face?
Yes. His face.
In turn, that's going to be great for you. If he moves his head back because he's reacting to your motion, it's going to cut across his neck, because that's what exposes. So I go down and now into the groin. You're already here, so point 45 degree down, right through the top of the bladder, and bury that all the way to the hilt. Make your connection at this point. Lock him up. Good necktie. While you have connection, twist the blade in the body. Now let's get away from him. I'm going to push his head in the opposite direction and then cut his face. When I cut across the face, it's the same thing, from the corner of the skull directly down in the opposite direction. If I make contact with that, then that's great. If not, it's basically like an exit jab in boxing. You see a lot of boxers do that after their combo so that they can safely move away. So we're here. You're going to snap cut face into the groin, get your connection, and then move out of the way. All right, so that was the combo of the day. I did use a Riptide earlier. These are on deep discount on scallywagtactical.com. And always remember, if you use the code ELITEU with no spaces, you're going to get 10% off that purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know your thoughts on the combo that we just went over.